Hey guys, this is Sheba and the Big Guy. Three different recipes in one day.
Sheba and the Big Guy. Sheba and the Big Guy. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Your boy out here getting it cracking.
Putting this meat on this grill
Chill.
for Christmas.
Got this slab.
He's out in the wilderness.
Woo.
It's freezing.
Got that Warren G seasoning on there. Sniffing Griffin's full church. This is what we're going to do for Christmas. We got another variety coming. When I get to that, I'm going to show y'all that. But
so far, that's all we have.
this is right now, out here braving this good old weather.
And even though we're far away, because I'm not coming out there, but you can see how much seasoning he put on there. He put that rub on there.
Ooh, that's Sniffing Griffin's.
It's freezing. That's how we know he's the big bear.
Yeah, shout out to North Face.
It's for keeping you warm.
Keeping me warm. Got those North Face boots on. Woo, yeah.
Okay guys, I'm not sure if you are new to the channel or if this is just an idea off of what you already saw, but what I'm doing right now is I have a rack of ribs. I cut it in half, and the ingredients that I'll be using is the olive oil, the raw honey, soy sauce, and my seasonings. But you can use any seasonings that you have. You don't have to do the same exact ones as me. And the brown sugar, dark brown sugar. So I'm just going to let y'all see me season them. And it's basically the same recipe. But I just wanted y'all to know that this is good too, just in case you're tired of chicken and you want to do ribs, something different. Now I'll just show y'all how I season them up so you can know exactly how much seasoning to put on them. So I don't measure anything. I just eyeball stuff. And just do a little bit of honey. Just a little drizzle. Let y'all see that. It's just a little drizzle. Then we'll do a little drizzle on here. And then shake this soy sauce up. Always get the low sodium one. And put that on there. Then we'll do a little olive oil, just a little. On each one. And then we'll do the brown sugar. Okay, so here's how it should look for both of them. Then we'll just flip them over, keep that brown sugar down on there. And then we'll do the same thing all over again. Okay. Try to speed this part up so you don't have to watch all this over again. Okay, here they are, all wrapped up nice and tight. Now we're going to put them in the oven for 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours later, it is done. I poured the juice that was in the other container on top of them. And I didn't flip them or anything. I just poured the juice that was in the other one on top of both of them. And that's it. So that's it. Do they look delicious, big guy?
Mm-hmm.
This is the seasoning that the big guy used for his ribs. Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
I used that seasoning. Now I'm about to fry these ribs.
He's flouring them up.
Yesterday I put them on the grill. They was okay, but it was just like, I used the wrong seasoning. I should have used the other seasoning. See if this is done. Woo, that's how you know that it's time to dip them in. Alright, so I got the fire on and I ain't going to, throw a whole bunch in here. Got to give them some space. You don't want them to be all burnt up and sticking together. You dig? Making a little mess with this flour over here. But that's what it's in for, people. I got some more over here to get fried up. So whenever I get done with that, with these, I'll show you, and then, we'll come back to you with the finished product. This is Sheba and the Big Guy reporting live from the kitchen. Alright, this is the finished product. You see? This is what you get when you take your time and not have that grease up all high. Got them nice, thoroughly cooked, non-burnt fried ribs, and they are fire.
You tasted one already?
Oh, I tasted like two. Yes, they are. Yes, Lord. Back it up, son.
Okay, is that all you have to say?
Here, pan out. Bam, pan in.
Come
all right,
on. You could have did it yourself.
But yeah, this is the big guy on the ones and twos tonight. Yesterday I was on the ones and twos on the grill. They was kind of good, but they wasn't, video good. I didn't really like them. I liked them, but I really didn't. Like I said, I used the wrong seasoning. Shout out to Warren G seasoning. Sniffin' Griffins, or however you pronounce it. I'll show y'all the bottle again with the containers. But this is Sheba and the Big Guy reporting live from the kitchen, and we out.
Sheba and the Big Guy. Sheba and the Big Guy. Deuces.
Cheers.